Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a full face of new Temu makeup. So we do have a couple of alleged lime crime dupes. We also have a Rare Beauty dupe as well. We have a couple of Charlotte Tilbury. So many dupes, okay? That's basically what I was targeting in this video, was just finding products that remind me of high-end ones. So basically we throw all these products, test them out on the face. If you want to see my thoughts on these, of course, keep on watching. I also did incorporate some products from my last Temu haul. I'm going to have a Temu playlist linked down below of all the videos that I have so far on my channel. This is a semi-new website to me. I do have a lot of Shop Miss A videos on my channel, Dollar Tree. I love affordable makeup, so I have those on my channel as well. But we did test out a bunch of new makeup from Temu. If you want to see how all those products worked out, the products that I love, the products that I hated, just keep on watching. So first off, we're going to go ahead and take my lip balm. This is the Skin Ever Lip Moisturizer from Temu. And this one is so pretty. I love the packaging of this product. But I also really like the applicator and the formula. So this is definitely one that I'd say run out and grab. It doesn't really like volumize my lips, I say, but it's like a really nice lip hydrator. And it smells like vanilla. It's so nice. For brows today, we have this ABH Possible dupe. This is from Lang Manny Soft Brow, and it looks like so. I got mine in the shade 03. I did also swatch this in my haul video just to see if it would match, and it does. So it does come with a micro brow side. Gives me vibes of my brow pencil from Shop Miss A, but there's a look at that. So this one again is in 03. And this is the only brow product that I brought with me. So, alright, so I want to talk about Good Trouble. Let me know if you watch Good Trouble. It just came back for, I believe it's season 5. Oh my goodness. It's wild how it started off a certain way and now like the direction they're taking on the show is really interesting. Again, let me know your thoughts on the show in the comments if you watch it. It was originally the Fosters, and then it took like a spin at the end and it turned into Good Trouble with two of the main characters from that other show. So it was really nice. If you haven't watched the Fosters, I definitely recommend. It's so good. It's like a drama situation. It was on Freeform. It's just so good. I love rewatching old shows because I did start off watching Good Trouble, kind of like fell off season 3 or whatever. I rewatched it. Yes, so much drama. Let me know if you have any show recommendations on like Netflix or Hulu or whatever. You know, I love watching TV. That's just my jam right now. I'm rewatching The Walking Dead as always. I always watch The Walking Dead for some reason. But yeah, there's so many shows that I love watching, like Good Witch. I've spoken about on my channel. Oh gosh, it feels like years ago. But yeah, I love Good Witch. That's another good show that's on Netflix. The Flash, all those types of shows are so good. This brow pencil is actually nice. It's like pulling a little brown, but it's working. I also did pluck my brows yesterday, so okay girl, I'm like a new person. I'm taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and I'm gonna set my brows and also just clean up. Set down the brows. I'm gonna set down my lid with this product, but I'm also going to clean up the brows. Not that they need it, but just so it could look a little more clean. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out with my sponge. This is like my favorite part, is when I get to blend it out. It just looks like a clean slate on the eye. I went ahead and moved you guys a little closer. I feel myself like getting so like trying to get close and then my back starts to hurt, so I moved you guys closer. So we do have an eyeshadow palette from Temu, as you guys know. So this is a CAYLA palette, and this is a alleged dupe for a lime crime palette. Packaging wise, not great, but you know, the colors look cute. There's a look at the palette. Not sure what exactly this is duping, but yeah, the color story just kind of called out to me. They also did have like an orange version as well, but I kind of wanted to go for more greeny vibes. I don't know why I wore this top, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do, like a brown greeny kind of vibe. and we definitely have all those colors in here. So I'm going to start off with the sage color, which is that green in the palette. And I know for sure we're going to use either Myth, one of the green shades. We have this. This palette has a lot of shimmers in it. I'd say like mostly shimmers. It literally just has 5 mattes in here. Yeah, so cute. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm just going to start blending this out into the crease area, kind of blowing it out. Take the same shade with a smaller brush and I'm going to start packing it on this outer corner, and I'm also going to start with the brown as well. I think I'm going to take this shade here and throw it on the lid. I kind of want to take it with my finger. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, next I do have a liquid liner from Temu. This is the She Does Lasting Princess Smooth Eyeliner. Yeah, there's the shade. There's the liner there. Not the greatest eyeliner, honestly, but I'm gonna see if I can create a wing real quick. So as I mentioned in my last Temu Get Ready With Me, the liner I don't really recommend. It's just like you're guaranteed to get a chubby eyeliner every single time, and it's cute. It's just, I don't know. I want to search for a new liquid liner on there to see if the other ones are better. It's just like the applicator of this one is just a little too stiff for me. So yeah, but we made it work. Let's throw on some mascara. We have this. The mascara, on the other hand, is actually really amazing and I've really been enjoying it. I also did a couple of reels and TikToks using this mascara. I couldn't put it down. It's so good. So this is the volume mascara. All I know is that it's good, but look at the packaging, so cute. And I really like the wand as well. So interesting, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of this on, and then we're gonna throw on some falsies. This is like so good for those days when you don't want to wear falsies, but I'm just gonna throw a little bit on. I don't want them to be too chunky with the lashes over top, but a little bit just for a little bit of color. For lashes, we're gonna go ahead and throw on the ones from my last Temu video. These are the eyelashes in 103, and these are like changed. It was like 50 cents or something on the site. These are so good and they look so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on. I'll give you guys a close-up look. They had a couple other styles on there, and they have so many other lashes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on and we'll be back. Next, for primer, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Major Digit primer, and this is actually the caviar primer that I used in my last video. Kind of want to incorporate some of those products just so you guys can see them in action again. And this is just a moisturizing primer. So I'm just going to take that on the outer portions of the face just to give me a little bit of hydration. And for the inner portions, we're going to use the new primer. This is the Zero Pores O.TWO.O Pore Sniper Makeup Primer. So this is actually so good, and it does a great job at blurring the inner portion of my face. So I'm going to go ahead and use this again today. I feel like I've used this so many times because I used it on Instagram for reels and TikToks and all that. So I'm like pretty well acquainted with this product. And funny enough, it was one that I was kind of hesitating on purchasing, but it is so good. For foundation, we're going to go ahead and take the PUDIER Full Coverage Foundation, a alleged ColourPop dupe. This one here is in the shade 2N. I haven't used this in a while actually, so let's see if it's still good. And this was a little light on me, but once we get like the bronzer on and all that, it'll look better. There's a look at that foundation. This is so good. I think this is a good match once everything is blended in. We do have a couple of cream products. We have the LAKERAIN Beauty Bronzer and Highlight, which I did mention in my haul video. And we also have this LAKERAIN Beauty, oh, they're from the same brand, blush as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the bronzer, which looks like so. And I'm just gonna apply some dots all over, mainly on like those bronzing areas. This is such a good color for me. I love it. and it blends out so easily as well. I had also purchased a blush, but if you guys watched my haul video, it just came kind of damaged, so I had to get rid of it. But I am gonna try to repurchase another blush in that kind of packaging, because they're actually really, it's like a really good formula. As for the blush, however, I haven't tried this out, so we're gonna try it together. As you can see, it is an alleged Rare Beauty dupe. So this one here, I don't know what the shade is. I really like the applicator. We're gonna do 3 dots on each side and blend it in. I don't think you can go wrong with cream products, especially a cream blush, unless it like doesn't want to move when you're trying to blend it out. But yeah, so good. And the highlight is also from LAKERAIN, as I mentioned. So you basically just pull this and you get your highlight, and you can kind of twist to unlock this thing. A little tricky though. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some highlight on. Next, I'm going to take my concealer. I don't think I've purchased a concealer from Temu yet, but I'm going to take a little bit of e.l.f. Camo concealer in the shade Medium Beige. We're going to let that sit for a little bit. That's just what I've been doing with my concealer these days. We also have 2 powders from my last video. This is the Giacomo Natural Color Matte Pressed Powder, and I've really gotten into this, as you can see. And then we also have this for all over the face, the Hand Roux Loose Powder. So cute, comes in different colors. I feel like this one's just a little too dark for me, but I do put it like on the outer portions of the face, so it works out, but it's good. And let's just get into blending this out. This is such a good concealer as well. Let me know if you've tried any concealers from Temu. Give me some recommendations down below if you have, so I can check them out. Haven't seen any that really call out to me, but I'll have to take a look again because they have so many different products on there. It's crazy. I also did purchase some new makeup from Shein recently, so you guys are going to be seeing those products soon. But I didn't know they came out with a Frida Kahlo collection until recently. I hadn't been on Shein in a long time. I don't know why, but so I did purchase that Frida Kahlo palette. They also came out with a brow product and a blush, like a cream blush or something. So we're gonna be testing that out soon as well. And the Frida Kahlo palette, if you haven't seen it, it's so interesting. It looks like a portrait of her style, and then you like blend in the different like little pans and it turns into an eyeshadow. It's so interesting. And there's a look at this powder. Just gonna go ahead and set everything. For bronzer, we're gonna go ahead and take my May Cheer shading bronzer that I purchased in my last haul, and this is so nice. I'm living for the packaging, but also the color is actually really cute. The only thing is just like it kind of comes off gray, but it's okay. It's pretty good. I love, again, the packaging. It does come with a mirror. For blush, we're going to take the CDE highlight. It's like a highlight blush situation, and this one here is in pink. I do have 2 different colors. These are so nice. At the moment that I'm filming this, these are on sale, but look at that. How stunning is that pan? Let me swatch it. So I'm just going to take some of that on the cheeks. It is like a shimmery kind of moment. Next, we're going to take the conditioner Sweet Mint Natural Stereoscopic Highlight. It's like the longest name in the world, but this is so pretty as well. Go ahead and take my LA Colors eyeliner slash eyeshadow duo pencil. So I'm going to take the liner side. Let me show it to you guys. I'm going to take it on the lower lashes. Also going to go back to the palette. I'm just going to take that dark brown down here and throw it on the lower lashes. I'm going to perfect the brows a little bit before we go in with the new brow set that I purchased. Alright, so we do have the PUDIER Fluff Hold Laminating Brow Wax. So as I mentioned in my haul video, it does come with a little brow brush. And today we're just going to use the little brow set part. Alright, for lips, She Glam Wonka lip liner first. So I did unbag this with you guys on my in my haul video. So this is the Beauty Glazed Liquid Lipstick, I think. This is in dark brown. I'm trying to see what this actual product is. I don't remember, but yeah, this was a really nice shade from what I can recall. So let's see how it looks. I also do have a gloss just in case. Ooh, wow. Was not expecting that, but okay, girl, this color is so beautiful. So I think I am gonna throw in some gloss. I have my Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss in Low Talk, and it was part of that little set that I used a couple uploads back. I think this is like a plumping gloss or something. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Creme Shop and Hello Kitty Celebrate setting spray and priming spray. This is so cute. I did find this at my local Marshalls, I believe, and yeah, I just haven't used it on camera with you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this to sit on the face, and then we're gonna end it. This smells so good. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I think everything worked out so well. We're gonna go through my thoughts on the new products. Of course, some of these I've been using a lot more often than others, but I'm just gonna give you guys my real thoughts on all these products. Should you get them? Are they great, or do they suck? The lip product from Beauty Glaze, I think this was so nice. I love the color. I haven't worn it on its own, so I can't really say much about that, but right now it was worth it. And also the presentation of it all was really nice as well. It did come in a little like chocolate looking bag. It was so cute. So yeah, this is really surprising. Let's talk about the primer. This is so good. As I mentioned earlier, it does blur out the inner portions of the face or wherever you apply it. I like to kind of use it in the T-zone area for me because I feel like it does mattify me just a little bit, but also gives me that blur effect. So I really like the primer. These products from LAKERAIN were really good as well. The blush from LAKERAIN, the little like Rare Beauty dupe, was really cute. I definitely recommend if you want to try it out. They have various colors. These are nice as well. Now these, I feel like they just have a interesting packaging. Now of course it's supposed to be a alleged dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury liquid blushes and bronzers that are going viral, but the actual, like, I don't know, something, there's like a packaging flaw. That's the thing. So I'd say I don't know if it's worth buying one, because the blush that I did purchase from LAKERAIN did come defective in this packaging. I feel like it's just a little, an accident is waiting to happen with these, because if you squeeze it a little too hard, the little like turning thing, the little on and off situation is a little faulty. So I don't know, but they're cute, they work. It's just, I don't know if I can recommend them, to be honest. We also have the Fluff and Hold Laminating Brow Wax. I think this works so well. Again, I did throw it on the brows. Speaking about the brows, we have the brow pencil situation. This is nice. This one again is an 03. I feel like the color itself is looking a little brown on me. When I look up close and personal, it looks brown, but from far away, from this, I don't know, from the viewfinder, it looks really good, and I really like the formula, so I might buy it in a deeper shade. But yeah, that was really surprising. And the brow wax situation was really good as well. I love that it comes with a little brush. It's like really nice and travel friendly. I really like the packaging, so this is also another product that I recommend. As for the palette, I think this was cute. I don't like the actual like packaging of this product. I think the shadows worked well. I like the look that I created, but it's not one that I can recommend to you guys. I just don't love the packaging, and it does have all the information on the back in case you wanted to know. We do get ingredients and all that, directions, and they did misspell the word first. Interesting. I don't know if I could recommend this. Again, packaging not great, colors are okay. They have better palettes on the site that I've used on my channel than this one. I'm just kind of like saying skip out on it. And that was everything. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below on this look. Let me know what your favorite product was from today's video, any recommendations that you guys have for me, or products that didn't work out for you so I can save my coin as well. Let me know everything in the comments down below. If you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up so I can keep making them, and of course don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.